Painting techniques. Frottis, painting with an almost dry brush on a dry layer of paint, without completely covering this latter. It is a key technique for creating chromatic textures which can produce better results on a layer of paint which has a texture with volume. Frottis serves also as a finish technique for creating smooth transitions between chromatic areas. Sharp borders or tones, which change abruptly, can be smoothened through the technique of Frottis. Diversity of texture can enhance the realism of paintings by applying particular textures, either flat or with volume, on different painting areas, which then acquire their own personality. A variety of finish effects on the painting surface can help in highlighting the separation between the different depth planes. In a painted landscape, the areas with a greater texture seem to be closer to the viewer. Aerial perspective can transmit the feeling of distance by highlighting the separation between the different depth planes. Different techniques can be combined to achieve and enhance this effect. As distance increases, the different colors are proportionally desaturated or cooled by adding the required amounts of gray or blue to them. The effective distance is achieved also by proportionally reducing the contrast and the level of detail of the elements located in the distant planes. Saturation is the intensity that any given color has. The saturation of a color is reduced by mixing that color with gray. A methodical process of desaturation can enhance the realism or alter the mood of a painting. Complementarity increases the chromatic contrast between areas of different chromaticism. Each color has a complementary color, which produces the maximum chromatic contrast when both colors are adjacent. Reduced palettes allow to create a painting with a more harmonious and personal chromaticism. They allow to avoid chromatic dissonances and focus on the formal aspects of the painting without getting lost in a swarm of colors. The most basic color palette comprises 3 colors, black, white, and a third color of our choice. Palettes of 4, 5, or 6 colors are a good choice for a great range of painting techniques, styles, and themes.